Act 44 of 2007 required the Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission to provide PennDOT with $450 million annually for highways, bridges, and public transit. However, in 2013, Act 89 modified the payments to dedicate the full amount to public transit and non-highway related projects. As a result, the Turnpike Commission has been forced to raise tolls for 11 straight years, while causing the Turnpike to reduce its rebuilding program by 13% and forcing their debt levels to more than $13 billion. The Turnpike Commission needs to make critical investments to power economic growth across the Commonwealth and to provide relief to its customers from excessive toll increases. In addition, our transit agencies need to be adequately funded so they can provide essential transportation services, grow their systems, and support the demands of our growing and changing job markets. Beginning in 2022, the Turnpike's payments to PennDOT for transit will be reduced to $50 million, while $450 million will be provided by the general fund. In the near future, I will be introducing legislation that would begin to reduce the debt obligations of the Turnpike Commission. This legislation would provide relief to the Commission prior to 2022 by gradually reducing the obligation by $150 million per year for 3 years. Currently, the legislature is unrestricted in its appropriation of vehicle sales tax revenues. By appropriating these revenues for mass transit funding, the General Assembly can assist in the reduction of the debt obligation of the Turnpike Commission, define a mechanism for funding the needs of mass transportation, and create spending control measures on the general fund. I look forward to working with my colleagues to bring about this legislation as well as the other recommendations in our Build to Lead Transportation report.